Okay, good morning, everybody. It is just a couple of days away from Halloween, and everybody's going to have some pumpkins. So I thought it would be fun to do a little bit of pumpkin science. So we're all going to learn together today. We're going to do mini pumpkin volcanoes. So the first step, and your mom and dad can help you with this, is to cut open the pumpkin and scoop some of the stuff out. And then we're going to add a couple of teaspoons of baking soda to each pumpkin. So this in our experiment is known as the base. We're going to cause a chemical reaction here, and this is the base. Okay, last pumpkin. Okay, so again, I've never done this. We're all doing it together, so I'm hoping that it works. And then we're going to put a couple of squirts of dish soap in each pumpkin, and then a couple of drops of food coloring. Blue in that one. Let's do red. And let's do green. And then it tells me that I should put about a 1/3 cup of vinegar, and the vinegar is the acid in the experiment. And the base and the acid together is going to cause a clear liquid, a gas called carbon dioxide. So let's wait and see what happens here. There are volcanoes starting to erupt. See, so simple. Wonder why the blue one's not going. Do we need maybe it's the pumpkin's too big. Oh, it's rocking back and forth. So it's a good idea to put a lid or something underneath this so you don't make a big mess. Safety first. Oh, here we go. I added a little bit more vinegar to that one. So the baking soda and the vinegar caused a chemical reaction that created the pumpkin volcano to erupt. Look, this is moving back and forth. I hope it doesn't explode. So that's a really fun little thing you can do with your preschooler. A science experiment with your leftover pumpkin or any little tiny pumpkins that you have around. Oh, I love how they're rocking back and forth. All right, well, I hope you try this out, your little science experiment, Chemistry 101, Chemistry for Toddlers. And we will see you next week for another fun experiment. Bye.